Hello, everyone. Now, before I start the show today, I have to make you understand the importance of your protective gear. Just the way we wear the helmet and the protective gear before the cricketers take on the field. It's very, very important that we use our mask and sanitizers, especially during these times. We need to do double masking before we take on the world in this situation, which is under a pandemic. I cannot overemphasize the importance of doing so. And please do so not just for yourself, but also for everyone that you love, because you might just be a carrier. And also, luckily, we've got the cricketing action going on. So just stay at home, watch some cricket, and post that, of course, tune in to the Doubtful Review System for some fun. All right, here we go. My name is Ridhima Pathak, joined by my very own A Square. I've got Akhil and Arun right here. Welcome, gentlemen. Tough times, but thank God for cricket, isn't it, Akhil?
Tough times, absolutely tough times. It's come to a situation where we can't even imagine what the other person is going through, and you have to be very, very mindful. It's a very tough situation. Sport is something that gives us joy at every moment. It's like a community, I call it like a religion. So it's important that some things have to ease our mental pressure and give us some amount of peace. And that's how cricket is helping. It's helping a few people. For some people, it might seem it's not working, but for few, it's a boon.
Right. Arun, contribution of cricket during these times?
Hey, listen. They say music's a healer, right? They say religion is a healer. They say prayer's a healer. For people like me and Akhil and you, and there are several others I know, cricket's a religion, cricket's a healer, right? Even if it can give you those, 20 minutes of, having a conversation with a friend about last night's match, or, just a random chat about what's happening in the tournament, that means it's 20 minutes of healthy conversation, healthy time. You're not stressed, you're completely de-stressing yourself. So while I understand, people do not appreciate the razzmatazz and, all the glamour and glitz around the league, I think sports necessary to kind of help you de-stress.
Perfect. So let's de-stress through the Doubtful Review System. Let's go ahead. Let's start with the very first customary question, which is front foot, please. Gentlemen, there is an issue that I'd like to discuss. The issue is called Hyderabad. And somehow Hyderabad seem to be not understanding the meaning of their name, which essentially means rising. And just like the points table, what we do on Front Foot Please is discuss the most talked about events of the week gone by. Now, this has become the most talked about, but it still is on number 3 on our list, just like the way they have ended on the points table. So, which is in the end. So, gentlemen, let's start talking about a little bit of Hyderabad. What is wrong with them? I'll start with you, Akhil. David Warner is struggling with the number 4 position in Hyderabad, as good as India struggled in the 2019 World Cup. Remember that? वही चल रहा है उनके साथ.
वही चल रहा है उनके पास. वहाँ जो इंडियन टीम के लिए सिलेक्ट हुआ था, the guy who was selected, he's also there. He's a 3D player already, so he can fit in at number 4 if they want. Thankfully, last couple of matches they got the savior of New Zealand cricket, and the one guy who can save Hyderabad also batting at number 4, Kane Williamson. So I personally think he should bat at number 3. But why not 3D cricketer at number 4? What are they waiting for? I don't understand. What do you think, Ridhima?
I should ask Arun, what are they waiting for? And I think now it's done waiting, and the time to perform is also gone.
I think sun is not going to rise this year. It's going to be a tough one.
No. I don't necessarily agree, Akhil. After every night there's a day. After all bad times, there is a good time that will come. Believe, spread positivity, at least now. I certainly believe that, sunrises are being tested. They've gone through this phase now, but now is the time. I believe, I'm pretty confident they'll bounce back. They've got Kane Williamson in the 11. They've played him. He played a cameo the other day. So everything's possible. There were people who thought Kane Williamson and cameos, not sure. He played it. So things are possible. Things will happen. Just believe.
All right, let me ask you a few questions there, Arun. Rashid Khan and his batting. He's finding it as difficult to bat as, batters find as difficult when he bowls. So Rashid Khan right there. I mean, he seems to be the spark of joy, but how do Hyderabad fix things there?
You don't want.
And he gets promoted.
You don't want Rashid Khan scoring runs, do you? I mean, if that's the expectation of the team, there's something wrong with the fundamental planning and how they're strategizing. Look,
but he got promoted ahead of Vijay Shankar.
Yeah, well, I mean, look, T20 cricket is the format where you can experiment. Certain days it'll come off, certain days it might not. It probably won't come off more often than you think it will. Like the Sunil Narayan experiment has been tried so often, with Kolkata, but it'll probably fire once sort of 5 times or 6 times. But yeah, I mean, you can try, but Rashid Khan at number 3, 4, 5, nah. And you don't want him to score runs. I've seen him bat in Adelaide, where he pulled off a sensational rescue effort a couple of years ago. Yeah, he can do this. Not that he doesn't have the ability, but he's a bowler. Respect him as a bowler. Give him the 4 overs. Give him the responsibility of those 4 overs. You don't want him to score, 25 or 30 runs every game. No.
He shouldn't need to bat. Basically, the top 5 should be able to do the job, and there was Abdul Samad that they had. So if he also can't get the runs, then expecting Rashid to come and fire, it's a little wrong.
It is. All right, talking about another team which is having a lot of difficulties to fire, which is Punjab. Now, they seem to have copied everything from the Bangalore team, also their form by the look of things. So, gentlemen, let's talk about Punjab and KL Rahul leading the pack. Now, every season they say the pressure is going to be a little off from KL Rahul. He's going to be able to bat freely. Clearly, that's not happening.
Right, strike rates are overrated, was it? What did he say? Strike rates are overrated? Was that the comment that went viral?
He did.
I think this comment is overrated.
I think the only thing going viral from Punjab is their batting coach Wasim Jafar's tweets. Those are the only things which are getting viral.
Exactly, right? And clearly, Nicholas Pooran is proved to be Glenn Maxwell.
Yeah.
Arun?
Yeah, I mean, look, I rate Pooran very highly. I've seen him play some sensational knocks in the past, but like I said, these are strange times, Radhima. I mean, you know what's happening around you in the world itself, and so while Pooran's not delivered the runs, you've just got to believe. We saw what Chennai did with Ruturaj Gaikwad, right? They believed in him, and he eventually came good. So I know Punjab are under pressure. They're not in the same situation as Chennai, but you've just got to believe. Look, if you've signed a player for a certain amount of money, and we're not talking about 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs or whatever. If you've signed a player for a substantial sum of money, just back him. Back him for all 14 games for what it's worth. If he can win you 1 game on his own, he's done a decent job.
Yeah, the way Mumbai does, actually. If you're not wrong about that, the way Rohit Sharma does, backs his players. Having said that, how far do you think Punjab would go in this tournament, Akhil?
Well, last year they just missed out because of the net run rate. I think it will come back to net run rate at the end. They'll be on par with the 4th team or something. They'll be vying for that 3rd, 4th position. They are not a bad team. They will come back. They have a decent batting lineup. I think now when the time starts, when they need the runs to come, I think Rahul and Mayank will step up and they will start. And I like Nicholas Pooran, by the way. I rate him as a very, very dangerous guy. I'm thinking much far ahead. I think if West Indies, when West Indies play the T20 World Cup later, I think Nicholas Pooran might just win them the World Cup off his own bat. I really rate him that high. He's a super player. If I were the captain and if I want a player to get in form, I would get him one match. I would just ask him to open the innings. Just go bat in that power play, 2 fielders outside, go freely, bat with Mayank. Get 3 overs under your belt. You just need 1 good hit in T20 cricket to start getting your rhythm back. If you get rhythm back, you can just win. He can win you 3-4 games.
Yeah, no, don't get me wrong, gentlemen. Actually, I love Nicholas Pooran as well. I just had the opportunity to see him in the Abu Dhabi T10 live. Correct. And, he won the tournament. His team won the tournament. So it was great to see him. Somehow things are not clicking with him in Punjab. And also David Malan, he's thinking that what number strategy do I need to put in so that they play him. Akhil?
Well, he came, unfortunately, because of the lockdown, he can't even be touristy and take photographs around Punjab and across India and use it to boost his social media. He's stuck in the room and he has to just watch the others play. That's the worst feeling, Just be locked up, go to the ground, you're not going to play. So at some point of time, I think they might try him. I mean, Gale is a big player, so you don't want to leave him out. But he's not picked just his social media skills. He needs to play. So I hope they give him at least 3-4 games before he goes back.
All right, gentlemen. Moving on to the talk of the town, the Sir, the hero, the Mr. Jadejas of the world, because we need more of him. Apparently, that's what Chahar says, and only two good Jews would be able to understand the whole logic of this. Now, please explain to me. I was trying to explain. While I saw the match, I was still trying to understand कि आप एक ओवर में 37 रन कैसे बना सकते हो? कैसे हो जाता है? वो भी आपने 6 छक्के नहीं मारे. Please, the numbers guy. Here.
Numbers guy छोड़ो आप. I was at the ground that day. I watched it live. I was working on the game. I watched it live. And I can tell you for sure, the entire commentary box was in awe of this man. Is there anything he cannot do? Was that the question you asked?
Yeah, is there anything he can't do?
I mean,
he's like the Rajnikant.
That's the one thing. That was my answer. That was going to be my answer, Akhil. You just stole the words out of my mouth. I was going to say, the only battle I want to see, the only person who can possibly compete is Rajnikant. So before we put a tick mark against Sir Jadeja, I want to see that contest. Rajni against Jadeja.
Alright, thanks for putting me on the hot spot, gentlemen, because that's what I'm going to do to you next.
Oops.
Let's go ahead towards the hot spot. Revenge time. Alright, moving on to the next segment right here, where I put my A square under the spotlight. Alright, Akhil, I'm going to start with you. You see, after that super over, you're David Warner. And you run into Bairstow. And you have to explain to him why did you not play him against Delhi. So here you go. This is you. And please tell me the kind of conversation you'll have and how do you explain it to the man right in front of you.
Bro, I'm saving your form for the Ashes. That's what I'll tell him. They're due to play against each other later in the year. So save your form for the Ashes. Get some scores there. Why do you want to waste form here?
Oh.
Why would an Aussie preserve an Englishman's form, Akhil? Why?
Just so that he doesn't retaliate at the moment.
मतलब कुछ तो बोलना है.
बचाना है. अभी बचाना है.
Buying time.
Yeah, buying time. Fair deal. Moving on to the next one. I've got one for you, Arun, as well. Here you go on the hot spot, and this is what we have. That's it. Kumble with Virat Kohli and Glenn Maxwell in the dressing room before the game. What is the kind of conversation you guys are going to have?
Who are they playing now? Are they playing shortly? Are they? Are Bangalore and Punjab
today? Yeah, they are playing
today.
They're playing now shortly. So I if I'm Kumble, I'm saying, I'm telling Maxi, can you momentarily carry last year's form into the match today? Like, can you momentarily carry that form into today's contest?
So what would you tell Virat Kohli as Kumble?
You know that.
See, Riddhima, if I am in that room, I will tell Anil Kumble and Virat saying that let's make an auction for this conversation and let's give this conversation to the highest bidder who can pay for this. Imagine the amount of interest there will be for this conversation.
Clearly, are you also good by any chance? No, I apologize.
Are you seriously thinking there will be a conversation? Because I'm thinking, look right, look left.
No, but Akhil's right. I'd pay for the silence as well. No doubt about it. I'd pay to see the silence. All right, well played out there. Very well played, gentlemen. Moving on to the next segment very quickly. और इसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आने वाला है क्योंकि this is Three Reds of the Empire's Call. The next segment coming your way. So, gentlemen, we are very well aware of, MSD's tactics around behind the stumps. So, I mean, I'm sure you guys remember that incident where, you had Glenn Maxwell and ABD batting and, of course, they were in form. And then Harshal Patel came in and MSD went like, Hindi mein nahi bol sakta. Ab Hindi mein nahi bol sakta hu. So, this is what this segment is called. Ab main Hindi mein nahi bol sakta hu. Which means there is a bit of a tweak here. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you some commentary lines which are in Hindi and you have to very quickly translate it into English. And trust me, today I'm not going to be soft-hearted where I go like, both of you win. I'm going to take a call. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to give 4 statements to Akhil. I'm going to give 4 statements to Arun. And it's face off, gentlemen. 10 seconds per statement. All right? Who wants to go first? Come on. Akhil and Arun, decide.
I'll take Spike. I'll go first.
Oh, there's competition right here. Now I need to make a call. So I'll go with Arun because Akhil has been starting the previous segments. Arun, there you go. Arun, you start this segment and the first 4 statements are for Arun and then we shift gears to Akhil. The very first statement, Hindi mein after.
You've got to give me breathing room. Alternate. Let's take alternate turns.
It's easy to judge. It's easy to judge.
Cool.
All right. So the very
statement to English, right? That's
yes.
The deal.
Yes, the statement, the show, this particular game is called Hindi mein nahi bol sakta. All right, dedicated to MSD. All right, पहला हिंदी में स्टेटमेंट आपकी तरफ आ रहा है और पहला है ये आपकी स्क्रीन पर पिटे हुए बॉलर और फटे हुए कॉलर की कोई इज्जत नहीं.
So basically, it means to say, somebody who's gone for 40 runs or 50 runs and a torn shirt, there's no respect. I could right. Suggest a name here, but no. Let me not.
No. Let's keep it non-controversial. Moving on very quickly to the next one. एक हो गया, दूसरी की तरफ चल रहे हैं हम. दूसरा स्टेटमेंट है आपकी तरफ पिटे हुए आगाज कैसा भी हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता बस अंजाम अच्छा होना चाहिए.
Yeah, this is Akhil's line. This is actually Akhil's line. He always says the start doesn't matter.
Tick-tock.
It's the last match. So, who wins the final match?
Who wins the final match? All right, got it. Moving on to the next one. 2 हो गए. 2 अच्छा किया. मंच बड़ा है तो सरपंच को आउट करना पड़ेगा.
Bigger the stage, grander the stage, bigger the pressure means you've got to get the biggest player out. Or get the biggest.
Well, but sarpanch also means captain. So the correct translation, captain को out करो. All right, okay, I'll give you this one. 3 हो गया. चौथे के पास. Next one. सिक्का उछला है और गिरा मेहमानों के पक्ष में.
सिक्का is coin, उछला है, tossed up in the air, गिरा है मेहमानों के पक्ष में in favor of the visitors. So coin toss in favor of the visitors.
Coin tossed in the favor of visitors. Well
coin
done.
Tossed.
Very well.
Not toss. Yeah.
Tossed. Very well played out there, Arun.
Well done.
Well done. Akhil, आपकी बारी.
So for a South Indian, I've done well.
No, absolutely. All right, Akhil, आपकी बारी. अगले 4 सवाल आपके लिए, 4 statements आपके लिए. So the next one is this. अरे भैया, ये तो कमाल का शॉट मारा.
Bro, what a shot, man.
Boom. Okay, moving on. Next one. It was easy actually. Moving on to the next one. मुश्किल तो नहीं कह सकते, टफ जरूर होगा भारत के लिए.
It's not really difficult, but it's very difficult.
Yeah.
मैं होती तो शायद उल्टा कर दिया. टफ तो नहीं कह सकते, मुश्किल जरूर होगा भारत के लिए.
But I add something. I'm just barging in here. There was this famous line, congratulating or wishing somebody on a birthday, and that person said, "मेरा जन्मदिन तो नहीं कह सकता, पर इस दिन पे मैं पैदा हुआ था."
वही है. Okay, moving on. Next one, guys. Next one. और ये हवाई फायर, फील्डर बने दर्शक, दर्शक बने फील्डर.
Oh, it's gone aerial. And fielders have become spectators. Spectators have become fielders. Oh, nice. Oh, it's aerial. If fielders have become spectators, spectators have become fielders. That's simple.
Perfect. And that's where we're done with 4 of yours, right? Done. I think this one more to go. Oh, अगर ये हुआ तो ये टीम जीत सकती है. ये ऐसा हो गया कि मेरे चाचा की मूंछ होती तो मैं उन्हें चाचा कहता. वाह वाह. अगर ये हुआ तो ये टीम जीत सकती है.
मेरे चाची के मूंछें होती तो मैं उन्हें चाचा कहता. This is
sorry.
अखिल को.
मेरी चाची की मूंछें होती.
If my aunt had mustaches, then she would have been called as an uncle, and if this would have happened, that the team would have won.
The team would have won.
Yeah.
अगर ये हुआ तो ये टीम जीत सकती है. ये ऐसा हो गया कि मेरी चाची की मूंछें होती तो मैं उन्हें चाचा कहता. Okay, cool. तो आपने उल्टा कर दिया.
This is typical, this is one of the standard Sherry lines, I think. Navjot Singh
Sidhu's,
there
is a very popular Hindi line onto this.
Yeah.
It's a Sidhuism, you're right.
अगर मेरे चाची के मूंछें होती तो मैं उन्हें चाचा कहता.
तो मैं उन्हें चाचा कहता. Perfect. Okay, all right. Moving on. तो यहाँ भी जो है call फिर से difficult हो गया. So I'm going to just play a quick one more thing. Let's see who does it better, who does it first, so that I can make a call. All right, guys. Wow. Can you guys? Yeah. Let's just do a tiebreaker here. This goes like this. चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. In English में ट्रांसलेट.
अखिल
चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करो.
This is like explaining to Virat Kohli why an LBW decision is not given after an umpire's call. I am not attempting this.
Guys, okay, looks like I can't make a call here.
Are you giving us any hampers? You were supposed to give us hampers after winning hampers after last show. Are we getting anything?
I'm sorry, we're running out of time. We need to end the show, and my producers just told me to end the show really quickly. But thank you, gentlemen. You guys have been so much fun. Thanks a lot. And before I go, I just want to ensure that our viewers know the importance of double masking, because that is the time that we are in. So use 2 masks when you go out, and this is how you do it.
Over the nose.
You wear this mask over the nose. It doesn't have to be here. It doesn't have to be here or here. It has to be here, guys. Right? Over the nose. And there's a sanitizer that you should carry with yourself. Use it when you're going out, meeting people. Avoid meeting people.
Don't meet people.
Avoid meeting people completely. Stay at home. Watch some cricket. And of course, watch Doubtful Review System. You guys have been so good on the show. I'm going to just take this down. It's only because there's nobody at home, apart from my dog. And gentlemen, thank you so much. And once again, everybody, please stay safe. Please. From the entire team of DRS, we just want you to go through this pandemic along with your family, strong, safe, and healthy. And we will overcome this for sure. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Also in the comment section, do give us a feedback. We are very, very eager to know what you find the most entertaining part of the show. So go for it.